and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about the 10 amazing health benefits of hawthorn berries. Hawthorn berries are small red berries that are located and that are native to Europe, Asia and North America. They've been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of conditions, and also recent research has proven and has shown that these lovely little berries have impressive health benefits. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of hawthorn berries that you might not have heard of before. First of all, they can improve heart health. These berries are rich in antioxidants. They've been shown to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and also reduce cholesterol levels. Some studies have also shown that these berries may help to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. These berries can also reduce anxiety and stress. Hawthorn berries have been traditionally used to help in reducing anxiety, reducing stress, and also some research suggests that these berries have a calming effect on the body. The hawthorn berries may also improve digestion. Hawthorn berries contain compounds that may improve digestion and also reduce symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating or gas. They also improve sleep. These berries have a sedative effect on the body, and they've been also traditionally used to improve sleep as well. You can start off by having hawthorn berry tea before bed. They're also filled with wonderful vitamins and minerals to help in relaxing the body. They also improve the immune system. Because they are rich in bioavailable vitamin C, which is known to improve the immune system and general health and also protect against illnesses as well. These berries are filled with anti-inflammatory compounds that help to reduce inflammation in the body, making them a great natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, for conditions such as general pain associated health conditions. They also improve brain function, and this is based on the recent research, which I will link the results in the description box below for you to check later on. They have a positive effect on brain function and cognitive performance as well. They also support weight loss because they have been known to reduce appetite and support weight loss by simply regulating the metabolism and providing a breakdown of fat cells as well. They also improve skin health. They're rich in antioxidants that may improve the health and appearance of the skin and also boost the general vitamins in the body as well, which help with skin health. They also support anti-aging benefits. They support healthy aging because they've been shown to have anti-aging properties. They've been shown to help in improving circulation as well, and also reducing the age-related conditions such as stroke and heart disease. So these wonderful berries have a wide range of health benefits. If you're looking to add more nutritious fruit and berries to your diet, I would highly recommend you to add them to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, and also you can make your own hawthorn berry tea or tincture, which we will show you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, and share. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.